Hi everyone, it's the talented Mr. Fridge. I'm here at the fridge of two fashion designers. So if you ever wonder what fashion designers have in their fridge, here you go. They're actually out of town. Ooh, okay. This is a great view of the fridge. Let's just start with this. Okay, I'm gonna start on the door. Today we have found anchovies, apricot jam. This is tahini, I can just tell. Peanut butter, parsley, almond milk, cherries. Now this is something I love to see, a little ceramic plate with a scrum of cheese. Cucumber, blueberries, jar of overnight oats, or something like that. Scallions in the back, big caper berries, more cheese, the top of a ceramic container, onion, ketchup, gorgeous butter dish, piece of plastic. These are soba noodles that my friend Peyton just prepared and tucked away. Some greens, we have some tomatoes, flavor bombs. Oh God, it won't focus. Castelvetrano olives, chili crisp, Amy salsa with bach bean and corn. Oh my God, I'm kind of just moving around this thing willy-nilly because I didn't even go to the top shelf first. We have Faye Total, fat-free. That is gonna be harissa. Mild. Avocado, lemon, seltzer. There's a tipped over thing of hot sauce back there. More greens. This is athletic, non-alcoholic beer. Raspberry preserves. We'll go to the drawers. Fresh sweet onion. Mustard greens, carrots, red onion, another red onion up here. Now we just have one door left. This is butter, rice vinegar, seafood cocktail sauce, Portland syrups, strawberry, lemon, lime, beverage mixer, mayo, green hot sauce. Only a couple more items. Something pretty exciting though. Chobani oat milk, and then this, a big bottle of vermouth. Wow. I feel like this fridge isn't giving itself over to me right away. It's not revealing to me what its story is. But it has one. It's not trying that hard. There's some details, some really perspective-giving details. I'm talking about seafood cocktail sauce, vermouth, the mystery plate. All right, I'm gonna close it. Thank you guys. It's talented Mr. Fridge. I'm just so glad you all support me. Bye.